Woo, okay. Alrighty. So I've been continuing work on our in-page topic editor. So again, familiar with this flow, but now you're going to be able to curate your model from this view. So these are the views that you have selected in your topic. These are the fields in your topic. You can change these different properties. Sure. And save it, and it saves it to your workbook model. So not topic scoped, but model scoped. Add a description, okay. I want to demo this fun pop-out thing that you can also edit in here. Cool. Save over here. Go over to inventory items, and there they are.
Alyssa, small question.
Yeah.
What happens if you have like a topic scope join or something like that in here?
Well, you can't currently define one of those in here. I mean, it'll just keep what you have.
Okay, so like you just won't see you won't see this for it.
I mean, if the view is included in your topic, it'll show up here. Like you
But
just won't.
like if we have buyers and sellers and we go add some synonyms, do you know where they go?
That's a good question.
That's more alias related though.
Yeah,
Colin.
I'm talking essentially aliases, but like things that are not actually physically in the model.
Like you mean
Well, I
topic
think
scope thing?
there's two questions here, right? One is like an alias based on a join, like
Yep.
join to view as, and the other is actually like topic scoped views.
Yeah, I
And-
guess that's it.
And I think for the alias one, there's really no choice but to stick it in for the join to view as, to stick it in the main view, right? Because the other one's just it doesn't really exist. It's virtual. In the case of the topic scope views, like I almost either it will just straight up fail if the view doesn't exist in the model scope. I mean, I'm guessing, or it'll stick it in the model scope,
Okay.
which is really just something that we need to.
It's not worth over optimizing for. I just
No, but
it's
it's an existing problem that we really need to solve.
Yeah.
Where we have to give the user the choice to like,
Yeah.
oh, we see this exists in both the topic scope and the model scope. Which one do you want to add this to?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And-
We'll go.
Oh, sorry, go ahead.
I was gonna say, yes, Alyssa has in fact flagged those things as we've been developing this. So we got to go like figure out what happens in those two cases. And yeah, Conrad's right. We probably at some point are going to have to give people a choice on where thing is written, which needs to be clear UX. Like, also don't want to overwhelm people with those choices. So we're going to pick a good default and then have some way to get to the other state as needed. But yeah, and then Alyssa, do you want to give a little thought, or we could give a thought too on like you're adding a few more fields to this editor as well. Like the plan is to flesh out the columns there with like also the definition of the field, which will probably be read only, and then some of the additional AI metadata like field values that you'll be able to refresh from here and stuff. So a little bit more, but it's looking awesome.
Yeah, it's sort of along those lines too. I've been slowly but surely pushing forward the AI context generation in a hideous UI that should never see the light of day, and this is so much nicer too. So I'm definitely gonna ping you. I love this.